All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo Christmas present. Now this one has the protective cardboard sleeve. It says Zippo and pattern design. It's always a nice touch. This is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And let's see, it does have the California P65 warning on it, and it says Zippo and pattern design. Nothing special about the insert. So here is the Zippo. Now this is engraved or etched into this brass case, and it's a high polish case. Does have the brass colored insert. It's a steel insert, but it looks like it's brass. Fires up really nice. Got a really good sound. And this was made in, looks like G of 18. So that is July. Really good stampings on this one. And I hate to do this, but let's do a drop test. This is a really nice looking Zippo. But I'm going to do a drop test. A lit drop test. Okay, so there is the lit drop test. It passes nicely. It's kind of plain, but it's really nice. Like I said, it's Zippo etched in there onto the surface of the brass body. That is a good one. Let's have some cowbell for that. Knuckle bump.